What's good, y'all? It's your boy Thomas Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Today's video, I'm gonna give y'all some solid advice. Of course, we're gonna talk about how these jobs is literally not really telling you how much they truly paying you. So, this is gonna be a very, very deep, in-depth video, and I'm also too gonna talk about the stock market because I keep telling y'all, bro, if you don't have ownership of anything, you're going to be left behind. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. I want to say thank you to everybody that's been rocking on me on this platform. Thank y'all for helping me reach 7,200 supporters, which is tough. You know, shout out to y'all for that. If you are new to the YouTube channel and you want to help me grow, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. It's right there, and yeah. Give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Alright, y'all. So, first thing that I'm gonna talk to you about is how these jobs is playing everybody, right? So I want y'all to pay attention to the picture that I showed y'all in the beginning of this video. Now, a lot of us be thinking that first thing first, like when we go to these job interviews or whatever, and they ask us, oh, why should we hire you, X, Y, and Z, whatever, right? Your real honest answer is because I need money, because I got to make some money, right? But of course, you're not going to tell the person that interviewing you, you're not going to tell them that, right? But what they're not going to tell you is how much you're truly making at the job. So they either give you hourly wage, you're gonna make X amount of dollars per hour. So I use how much I make per hour as an example in ChatGPT. Or they're gonna give you, let's just say, a salary, right? Or you're gonna make $60,000 a year. But they're really not telling you how much you're gonna make after taxes. Now, if jobs told you how much you would make after taxes, a lot of people would not work them. Right? Because it's not worth it, you know? So for example, the $20.72 an hour, right? That is before overtime. Now, if you incorporate the taxes into that, that's really and I put 30%, right? Because I think that they take out 30% when they tax you, right? As W-2. As self-employed, they take out 15% or 15.3%. Now, anybody in the comment section, please correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not always correct. You know, I'm learning every day. So I looked at the 30% and I said, bro, that's really $14.50 an hour. That's crazy. But they're not going to tell you that. They're not going to tell you, you're really going to make $14 an hour working this job. Because what they want to try to do is keep people there to help their company grow. Now, the reason why I'm telling y'all the job is playing all of us is because they are literally giving you income that's never going to help you get ahead in life, right? It's never going to help any of us get rich, wealthy, you know, escape the rat race. That's what we call it, right? The rat race. It's not going to help you do that because it's not enough. And I wrote in a Discord chat today, right? I always send videos that I watch in the Discord chat, and I sent them a video of it was billionaires versus trillionaires, right? And bruh, they are on a total different level, obviously. And I sat there and I said to myself, because I let it play in my subconscious mind, I listened to the video multiple times, right? And I said to myself, like, this is where I need to be. You know what I'm saying? Billionaire status. I said, I'm going for billionaire status. It is what it is, right? That's my goals. That's what I want to do. And if you want to judge me, then ask yourself, why don't you want to be rich, right? So, I said that to say, the jobs want to keep you in the hamster wheel, right? And that's exactly what I wrote to them in the chat. And I actually invested some more money today, right? And I also played a trick on my psyche where I went to my Yahoo Finance app, right? Which is where I see my investments in real time, and also my brokerage account. I used the Stash app, right? So I went to my Yahoo Finance app and I played a trick on myself, and I said, how much would I have invested if I owned 10,000 shares of Amazon? That was just one company, right? So I put 10,000 shares, and it came out to some excellent income, right? Excellent money. The assets are worth a lot, basically. Like, basically over $1 million, right? And that's just over 10,000 shares. Now, I also put 100 shares as an example, and then I put 1,000 shares as an example, right? Just to see. And the reason why I'm telling y'all this is because when you really learn, you teach yourself how money truly works. You teach yourself how to have money working for you. And y'all can see like the environment that I'm in. Like, and I'm from Harlem. I'm out here in Harlem right now. Y'all really can see like, nah, we really been bamboozled, you know? Because it's crazy how we're selling time for money, basically, and jobs are working us to the bone, you know? Jobs are working us to the bone, and they're paying us the bare minimum to keep everybody literally at this low vibration, this low frequency, you know? Not having the ability to think about any type of financial goals you have set for yourself. Not even having the ability to ask yourself, how can I create from a higher self? Because you're just stuck in survival mode. You're stuck on, I need to, whatever. You got to survive. We all got to survive out here. Point blank, period. But you need the mental space to understand that, bruh, if you just put at least 15% of your earnings into assets, 20% of your earnings into assets, you're gonna learn how to accumulate wealth. You're gonna learn how to build wealth in real time, you know? And don't know, like, everybody don't want to work a job for their whole entire life, right? Like, don't let people come on the internet and cap and sit there and say, I love my job. I love my job, bro. It's really like, for every 10 people you may see, it's probably like 7 to 8 people that don't like their job, right? All jokes aside. Now, if you run in a business, like you see my boy right here, he got a food truck. He probably love his job, right? Why? Because that's his food truck. You know what I'm saying? But if you sitting here and you working for somebody else, and they just giving you a whole bunch of work, but it ain't helping your pay. It's not like, yo, the harder you work here, the more money you gonna make. Right? It's not like that. It's, we gonna give you this $20 an hour, which is really $14 or whatever an hour, and we gonna give you all this work, and that's it. You know deep down in your spirit, you know deep down in your soul, you can make way more money. You just have to challenge yourself, you know? And look, the billionaire versus trillionaire video inspired me and motivated me because, and don't flame me, y'all. Yes, my button is kind of messed up. Y'all see it, right? It popped. Don't flame me. But it motivated me because I'm like, yo, bro, these people be living a total different life than any of us out here on this planet, right? You know? Like, you feel me? They able to take care of their family, take care of money for generations. You could give a person $100 and they'll spend that the same day, right? It's crazy. It's crazy, you know? So, and they own stuff. They own oil companies. They own businesses. They own real estate. They own stuff. This is why I tell y'all, you gotta own things in life, right? You gotta own things in life. Like, even while I'm making this video for y'all in real time, my money is working for me because I own stocks. I own stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just clocked out of work, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But money's still working for me. Now, if y'all want to know what stocks did I purchase today, I always buy fractional shares until eventually it ends up being a full share. So I purchased some Amazon today, Nvidia, Google, Realty Income, which is real estate, and Tesla and Apple. And I make that a habit. I literally make it a habit. Like, it's like, bro, you have no choice. You got to keep doing this, and you got to get out the rat race, right? Real talk. You know. So, but like I said, these jobs will never tell you how much they're truly paying you because you'll probably throw up honestly, you know. So always think about how much they're gonna tell you you're gonna make per hour, and then automatically subtract 25 to 30% away from that from your for your taxes, you know. And I know some people sit there and say you can file exempt, okay, whatever, but just always keep that in mind, all right? Jobs don't care about nobody, and it's good that they care about profits, because we gotta learn how to care about profits too, you know. The more money we have working for us, the richer we can get in real time. But the less money you have working for you, the more stress you're gonna be about money, and the more time you wasting, you know, because time is your number one resource. Your mind, your time, and your energy, all right? So give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, leave a comment below. Thank y'all for rocking out me. Thumbnail, hold on. All right, appreciate y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Finish. Yes, sir.